So in today's class, we are going to discuss few more questions on triangles. The very first question, as you can see here, is in the figure above, AB equals to BD equals to 2 root 3. So this is AB, sorry, AD. AD equals to BD. This is BD and that is equal to 2 root 3. What is the length of triangle? Length of AB. So you are required to find the length of this side, that is AB. Now when we look at the question, we realize this is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. AD and BD both are equal. That means if this angle is 30, the base angles will be 30, as you have learned in isosceles triangle. So base angles are equal. So angle ADB is equal to 30. Now if we consider triangle ACB, this is given 90. In triangle ACB, angle C is equal to 90. So we can call it right triangle. Now we have to find AB, which is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC, and we know that we need to find hypotenuse, we need to find AC and CD. If we know two sides AC and CB, then we can easily figure out. So as explained just now, this angle is 30, this angle is 30. So in triangle ADB, this is going to be how much? 180 minus 30 plus 30. 180 minus 60, that is 120. Now in order to find AB, always keep in mind what you have to find and what other information you need to find AB. As explained earlier, AB is hypotenuse, and in order to find AB, we need to find AC and BC. Now let us consider triangle ACD. This angle is 120 degree, so this angle must be 60 degree because total has to be 180 degree. And now this is 60, this is 90, so this angle is 30 degree. So again ACD is also, triangle ACD is also 30, 60, 90 triangle. As in triangle ACD, this hypotenuse is 2 root 3. AD is hypotenuse here, which is facing the angle 90 degree. It is 2 root 3. So we need to know, we have to find these two sides. What is the value of these two sides, which we can easily figure out. The sides are in the 30, 60, 90 are in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. So this is 2 times, this is root 3, 2 times root 3 is 2 root 3. So this will be 1 times root 3, this will be root 3, and this will be root 3 times root 3, that is, this will be 3. That means, and side facing 30 degree, which is CD, CD will be root 3, and side facing 60 degree, which is AC, AC will be 3. Now you know AC is 3 BC is how much? BC is equal to 2 root 3 plus root 3, that is 3 root 3. So it is pretty easy now to find AB. We can find AB using Pythagoras theorem. AB is equal to under root AC square, that is 3 square, plus 3 root 3 square. So that gives us how much? 9. 3 square is 9, and this is 9 and 3, 27. Root under 27 plus 9, that is root over 36. So AB finally we get square root of 36 is 6. So option C is the correct answer. We have another question now. In the figure above, AB equal to 6, BC equals to 8 and CD equals to 5. What is the length of AD? That is our question. So try to find out what are the information given. AB equal to 6, BC is this, so BC equal to 8 and CD equals to 5. Now as you can see, triangle ABC, that is a right triangle where the two sides are 6 and 8. So what is AC? Once we find AC, then again this will be a triangle which is right angle triangle. So we know the two sides, so we can easily find third side. That is how we will proceed to solve this question. So AC square, using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AB square is 6 square, that is 36, and BC is 8. 8 square is 64, which is our AC square. So what is AC going to be? Root under 100, which is equal to 10. So finally we got this equal to 10. Now we have to consider another triangle which is again a right triangle, and it is showing 90 degree. So another triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, we have AC equal to 10 and CD equal to 5. So from there we can find out AD, and we are required to find AD in the question. We know that if we assume AD as x, we can write 5 square plus x square is equal to 10 square. So 25 plus x square is equal to 100. Subtracting 25 from both sides, we get x square is equal to 100 minus 25. That gives us 75. So x is equal to under root 75 is equal to under root 5 times 5 times 3. So we can finally write x equals to 5 root 3, and our answer again here is option C, that is 5 root 3. I hope my explanation so far has been clear. If you have any doubt, you can always ask me. Thank you very much.